Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm in Betong, Thailand in my sister's house, the Somtam restaurant in Betong. It's evening and they just not yet finished. I mean the restaurant is still on and they're not closing, but I'm going to cook dinner. I'm going to cook dinner for everyone. And today's menu will be grilled tilapia fish with seafood sauce. It's very simple. We have just 3 ingredients. The tilapia fish is still in the back. We have lemongrass. Thailand lemongrass is so huge. Look at that, so big. And a lot of salt. There's a lot of salt.
What kind of salt is this? Normal
This is just a normal type of salt. And then we have tilapia fish. Look at it. My brother-in-law bought this one, but I haven't looked at it yet. Wow, it is so big. Look at that. It's going to be a feast tonight. So, 2 pieces of fish. We're going to do a charcoal grill with salt. I'm going to quickly wash up the fish and then we can and lightly smash the lemongrass and then we can stuff it into the fish and then we can grill it in charcoal grill. It's going to be so nice. We have washed the fish and I forgot one more ingredient, which is pandan leaf. Just went to the garden and plucked so many. Look at that, it's fresh from the garden. And for the lemongrass, I have lightly smashed them and cut it into small pieces. And then we are going to prepare a quick one before we go and grill. So I have the tray here. And for the fish, we are not going to remove the scale. We're going to leave the scale here and just purely wash it with water and salt. And then we're going to just sprinkle some salt inside. And then we're going to mix all of this lemongrass and stuff them inside. And plus the pandan leaf. Because pandan leaf, they give an aroma of the fragrance, so it will be nice. At the background there's my sister selling her somtam. Look at that. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm going to put in the pandan as well. Stuff it in. It is so fun cooking outdoor like this. Okay, then you just stuff it in to make sure that when the fish cook, then you will have no fishy smell. Then I will go ahead and make the second one. Just sprinkle. Then just put the rest. This is a small kampung in Betong where we have the people come with the motorbike and buy the somtam, and it's so fun. Okay. Okay, how we do is because I'm using a lot of salt. That is why we're going to put. Why we do not remove the scale, because we don't want the fish to be too salty. But we're going to put a lot of salt on the fish, like totally coating the fish with salt, just like that. Okay, just like that. So why we put too much salt? We want the fish to absorb the salt, and when we grill slowly, it will have the salty taste. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some more salt on this fish, and then we're going to do the charcoal grill. จับดู
เงินป่วยดูแลได้สามีป่วยดูแลไม่ได้ยังมีเวลา
Okay, I'm going to just coat that. Just like that. So simple. Then we're going to do a grill. Okay, the charcoal is already red all. And I'm going to put a bit of the ashes on the top of the charcoal, just to make sure that it's not too, the fire is not too strong, or else the fish will burn before it cook. And we're going to put our fish there. Ooh, ooh la la. And the salt, this one is already washed out by the water. I mean, yeah, the fish, the water. So I'm going to take some more salt to put on it, right? I'm going to put some more salt, a lot more salt. We need to really coat the fish with the salt. Wow. The fragrance of grilled fish is so awesome. Very nice. Alright, the fire is getting bigger. I need to take out the fish. Whoa, look at that. Looks so yummy. This is burn a bit, this is okay. We need to grill both sides and we need to grill it more. This is not right cooked yet. Wow, so awesome. I haven't been doing this recipe for longest time because in Malaysia, right, we do not have the facility to cook with the charcoal outside the house. You cannot take the smoke. So basically, here is freedom. Grill is so healthy cooking. Okay. So to eat the grilled fish, the best way is to eat with the salad. I'm gonna wash the salad. And this type of salad is the best. This is like a Chinese vegetable but different type. This is very nice. So we need to wash them. Okay, we gotta wash the vegetable. Look at the salad here, it's so big. One whole bag is just 2 pieces. See? Alright, see I have all the assistants here. The Kampung kids. So cute. เอ้าทำไมอะลูกมาดูปลาเร็ว Okay, we're going to check on the fish. กินไหมลูก เอาไหมครับ เอาไหมอิง เอาทำไม The fire is starting to dying off, so we need to make it bigger a bit. We were going to remove the ashes from it. That is the magical of cooking with the charcoal. If it's too big, if the fire is too big, we will just put the ashes on it and then it will reduce the heat. But if it's getting too small, then we will just go and disturb it a little bit, let the fire go bigger. Okay, children? Thank you. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ1 2 3สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะบ๊ายบายวิดีโอปิดเลยซุกแล้วเดี๋ยวไปกินเลยจ้ะเดี๋ยวก็ได้กินนี่เปิดได้ไหมอ๋อบ่ได้แล้วโอเค Master Chef is telling me where is cooked or not to cook ไม่เป็นไรเอาลูกปลาตำออกเดี๋ยวคนลูกค้าป้าหลายคนอยู่ได้มาเล่นโอเคเดี๋ยวก็ได้ละในหางมันนี่Suddenly see me go and chase a duck. By the time we finish cleaning the fish, it's already getting dark. Okay, so this is a fish that is perfectly done. And I'm going to remove it. And we're going to take it in the house. Super awesome fish เอาอลิฟช่วยน้ำเหมียวนะลูกถือเข้าไปในบ้านนะเดี๋ยวออกมาเอาอีกนะลูกนะ Perfect. Look at that. Smells so good. This is the food that we eat. We're going to be eating on the floor. And this is a grilled fish. We'll be eating together with the vegetable, with some laksa noodles. This is a seafood chili dips that I have previously uploaded the video as well. You can refer to that. But this one is done by my sister. She is professional. Good cook. Okay, my sister is going to be the guest of honor to do the opening ceremony of the fish. Wow, when you open up the fish, look at that. The fish, the flesh is so very nice, well cooked, and the skin outside we don't eat. So, ใส่มือเลย how we eat. So she will be putting the vegetable together with many type of vegetable. Cilantro, mint. แล้วก็ของอลิฟด้วยฉันก็จะกินด้วยจานอยู่ไหนแล้วก็ซีฟู้ดบอกเลยน้ำจิ้ม This is seafood chili dip. Delicious. นี่ลักษา noodles ใส่ที่ร้านนั่นแน่ลักษาน้ำจิ้มใส่ลูกน้ำจิ้มยิบใส่ของลูก
น้ำจิ้มอีกสักหน่อยนะมันจะได้
เผ็ดไหม spicy น้ำจิ้มนี่เผ็ดไหมป้าตอม
เผ็ดอันบ่เผ็ดมี
She said this one is very She said this one is super delicious spicy chili dip Look at that
ห่อ
go there go there
ห่อแล้วก็
Look wow โอ้แต่ว่าอะไรโอ้ it's so nice Wow so nice Okay I also want to eat with we going to pick I would love to have this vegetable and then แล้วเราสอนมาไหนปะ We will take some fish and this is a sweet sauce no I don't want this one I want this sauce
อะไร
just a bit
ลายดินอ่ะ
some laksa noodles and I love cilantro let's open the mouth so big
อ๋อยัดของคำเดียว
so good my goodness this is heaven
เอาด้วย
Gonna try to put everything inside right now
ยัดเข้าไปตาสวดออกสะใจดู
No word to express so good so we're gonna turn off the camera and enjoy our delicious meal I give it a thumbs up thank you for watching if you like this video please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more of my cooking video thank you and bye bye
จบ
bye bye